calm now? I'm so mad. She's doing crying.
Okay, I'll stop. It's looking at me like scared. Like it's for real dead eyeing me and I'm scared. Okay, it's seriously gonna freak out. It's gonna tear me up. Here we go. Balls. Oh my god! I knew it!
Balls. I can't see him over there. What are you doing, Jaspy? What are you doing, Jaspy? Come here, Jaspy. I think he's tired now.
Oh, after all that.
What are you doing? Here, you hold it.
Okay.
Here I go. What are you doing? You tired? Come on, you gonna pay? You gonna pay? Hmm? Oh, now you give me kisses. You be a good boy now? You're not being crazy?
He jumped on my face.
You be a good boy now? Is that what you're doing? Be a good boy? Look how sweet he's being. Oh, you
I'm telling you, if you get that cat crack.
Be a devil kitty. Don't you eat? Okay.
If you were to get that cat crack, that would just be funny. Like there's this actual like kitty crack. Seriously.
Yeah, you turn it off now. He's not gonna do anything.
Okay. Well, he's licking himself, so I'll just turn it off. And like this.